$641,000 is how much I made with meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm gonna show you the step-by-step on how to do it. For months, I was obsessed with trading meme coins every single day, but every time I put money in a coin, it just kept getting rugged. For example, this one right here, it just got rugged a couple minutes ago. The dev behind this coin made so much money. Like every single coin on MemeScope is eventually going to get rugged. Like every single one of them. Boom, it got rugged. Once again, the guy behind this coin made so much money. We have to become the guy behind the coin and launch them to make a shit ton of money. That's exactly why I switched to a new strategy. Now I can turn $100 to $500, or I can even make thousands within seconds and minutes. And the best part, you can do it over and over again. And that's exactly how I've been stacking a shit ton of cash every single month. And let's be real, trading them won't make you rich. The real cash is in creating them. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. So obviously, if you're already rich, do not copy me. But if you're broke and you need the money, then you can do whatever you want. But now it's time to cut all the bullshit and to head straight to the point. So to create your coin, you want to come to launchtokens.Fun. Oh whoops, I actually misspelled it. So it's launchtoken.Fun. Okay, and here on this exact website, you will be able to make your coin on the Radium Dex with no coding required. So the Radium Dex is 100 times better to get the highest market cap, because on Pump.Fun it is too saturated and too many coins are being created by the second. So no big investors are gonna buy your coins if you make it on Pump.Fun. So you have to make them on the Radium Dex, specifically on launchtokens.Fun, if you want to get the highest market cap. I can even prove that to y'all. If I come to my photon and I go on trending, as you can see, I have no filters on. I have no filters. So if I go on the Pump.Fun Dex, just look at their market caps: 40k, 20k, 5k, 5k. That's horrible. But if we compare that to the Radium Dex, oh yeah, 9 million, 13 million, 8 million, 100,000, 9 million, 9 million, 400,000. Okay, you have to be making coins on the Radium Dex if you want to make some money. Okay, so here you can make your coin by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted, well, you could make your coin manually here and make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make money with no marketing required, you can come to the third tab, to the copy coins feature right here, and you can duplicate any coin here. So all these meme coins have already proven to work on Pump.Fun, so it's almost guaranteed they'll perform well on Radium too, especially since they're about to migrate, which means that all these coins are all pumping and trending, so you are guaranteed to make some money if you duplicate them. Okay, this is the secret sauce. Okay, you have to be taking advantage of it. So I'm gonna duplicate the coin to prove that this shit actually works. So okay, the Ligma balls right here just caught my attention. It has a good hook. It has a good name, my bad. And it has 160 replies. So I'm gonna create coin. Okay, first connect your wallet, I forgot. Boom, Phantom. Then do connect. And then you can click on create coin. Then you can, okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly. Oh, hello. Okay, it popped up. Now click on copy token address and click on create liquidity pool. Then here it's already pre-selected. The amount token A right here is actually the liquidity pool, so click on max, and the amount token B is the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money, so you have nothing to lose since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. You can put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 Solana. I like to put 0.5 Solana because that is what I'm comfortable with. Once again, you are not losing this money, okay? Just make sure you have enough in your wallet right here. Then click on create pool. Hello. Then do confirm. Then click on refresh. Okay, it popped up. You're already $4 in profit. Now click on view on photon and now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot. Let me go on a lower time frame. Oh my god, okay, it's already pumping a lot. Okay, it's pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. Okay, bro. We're getting buys like fucking left and right. Now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity. After one more buy, I am gonna do it, bro. Fuck it. Oh my god. Okay, we just got a buy. Please, one more. Just one more buy. Okay, one more. I'm greedy. One more. Just one more. Just one more. Just one more, please. Just one more. Just one more. I beg. Oh, okay. Come back to launchtoken.Fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on. Come on. Come on. Confirm, and boom, we just removed the complete, oh whoops, we just removed the liquidity, bro, out of the coin. Let's fucking go. That is exactly how you print money out of thin air by launching coins, bro. The win rate is basically 100%. Like, you can make so much money. Launchtokens.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. And if you want to enter the 2.5 Solana giveaway, just make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And by the way, if I open my Phantom wallet, $400 is inside my wallet, so I profited around $300 off this one launch, bro. And if I open the chart, as you can see, it got fucking liquidated, bro.